YouTube, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to be checking out your logos that you have posted in the Discord server. So if you guys would like to post your work for me to check out, make sure you join. Link is down below. Feel free to post your work. I would love to see what you guys have made. So yeah, without further ado, let's start. Okay, so the first one is from Simp here. Obtain the grain logo recreation. Okay, let's check this out. I like the text styling here. It's like a metallic steel kind of look. The orange is really nice. Nice gold bar and some gold coins. Overall, a really clean logo. I like it. I don't really have any complaints. Yeah, I think it's nice. Yeah, so I'm working on a logo, and I'm wondering if the rings should overlay the text or no. I'm not asking for any other feedback, just the overlay advice. So what I would say is you could, personally I like this better, honestly. Yeah, I think it should go behind. Just kind of with the ring going over, it's a bit odd. So I would choose this one. Alright, let's keep going. Okay, there's a ton of conversation here that is not relevant. Okay, Blossom Souls. This looks like a more anime style logo. If you guys would like me to make a tutorial on an anime style logo, make sure you leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to do one. I'm curious to see what vectors you will add, if at all, like a sword or anything else. Yeah, it looks pretty cool so far. Check this one out, Get Fed. I think the green color here is a bit too dark, personally. Star Wars Sim. This one is pretty cool. I think the Star Wars text should go behind this text right here. Farming Tycoon. Let's check this out. I think this could use some more contrast. Everything, the vectors look a bit too flat for my taste. The Tycoon text is nice. The farming, the color, this shade of red, looks a bit flat. It's kind of hard to see. So, all right, let's check this one out. This is my favorite one. Is this yours? Evil Hunters. This is a beautiful logo. This is a Pokemon, I'm assuming. The effects, the shading, this gradient here that goes into this black gradient thingy that goes into this purple gradient here. The ball, right? The ball, the text, the sparkles. So yeah, this is what I'm talking about in terms of the anime logos. So if you guys would like to see a video on how to make this, I will happily do one, as you can see. So yeah, beautiful logo, although I'm pretty sure he's just posting somebody else's. Devil Trigger, this one's also really cool. Same thing, you got some edits right there. What else do we have here? VVS is like a diamond texting. This is pretty cool actually, with the links right here, the chain. I can't really make out what this says, but this appears to be a rendered text, I think, I'm guessing, and then with some editing. This one is pretty clean. Some more rendered text. I used to make these a long time ago. I'm surprised people are still making these. Back when these were popular, it's probably around like 2014 to 2016, I think. This is a while back. Lots of esports designers were making these kind of texts for YouTube banners, Twitter headers, mostly Call of Duty designs. LMAO, one of the logos on sale from GFX Comet has a mistake. If you look closely, you can see another one. Oh yeah, I see two more. Thanks for pointing it out. S&C Designs, logo commission, tropical logo, 4 hours. Wow, that is some kind of dedication, but it turned out really nice. The palm tree, the sun here, this looks like a Dragon Ball. If you added some sun rays, I think that would have completed this entire logo somehow. But it looks amazing. This is some very unique design. This is Asta from Black Clover. You got the text, score, the black and white with the red, showing the glitch effects here. This is great work right here. Alright, I think that's going to do it for this video. If you guys have read the announcement, I was sick yesterday. I am feeling better today, although I don't feel completely 100%. So yeah, I'll be sure to upload again tomorrow, so stay tuned. I'm gonna try to keep this daily uploading schedule going on. So yeah, I appreciate all of your support, and we are on the road to 10K. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.